I'm Tracy Baxter with today's Record Newswatch. The attorney representing Michael Lembhard's family is planning to file a federal lawsuit in response to word that an Orange County grand jury determined that Newburgh City police officers acted in self-defense and will not face any criminal charges for killing Lembhard during a confrontation inside a Liberty Street apartment March 7th. Attorney Michael Sussman called the district attorney's office investigation of the incident biased, saying DA Frank Phillips had, quote, selectively leaked information from the grand jury proceedings. Lembhard family members were anything but satisfied with the grand jury report. 4 black cops and a dead white man, you would have seen, I would have believed you would have seen in the indictment. Yep. This is corruption in Orange County, and it starts with Phillips' office. They all linked together. How can you represent City Newburgh in hundreds of cases, expect us to get a fair, and it's not going to happen. That's why we was asking for the outside prosecutor, because then at least we would have been felt like we got a fair justice. In a statement released Tuesday, District Attorney Phillips said his office was satisfied that all of the evidence was fully and fairly presented to the grand jury. Members of the Newburgh City Council say they will consider whether an additional investigation is needed. A Friday showdown is looming in Goshen. That's when a special Orange County Legislative Committee has called County Executive Ed Diana to testify under oath as part of its investigation into the finances and management of the Valley View nursing home. While people testified yesterday, the county executive was a no-show. His attorney, Richard Golden, wants the committee to withdraw its subpoenas or change them so witnesses like the county executive don't have to testify under oath.
With all due respect, there's an issue of due process here. And the law provides, not before, there can be discussions before, but after subpoenas have been issued, everyone has the right on an administrative subpoena such as this to request that the committee withdraw or modify, and then it is up to the committee to make a response to that. It's very simple. I don't know why that all of this is being pushed aside.
We have response to it, and you're not hearing us.
We're here because of a lack of information. There's nothing that's happened that would make us change our mind in going forward. We feel that we need to have a person sworn under oath.
Many who have testified criticized Valley View Management, Orange Administrative Services, the company hired by the county to run the nursing home. They would have the first rights to buy Valley View if the county follows through on plans to sell the 360-bed facility. They showed up with signs and a message. About 50 people affiliated with the Hudson Valley Area Labor Federation gathered this morning in front of the Greater Hudson Valley Family Health Center in Newburgh to support Obamacare and to call on local Republican Congresswoman Nan Hayworth not to be part of the GOP effort to repeal the Affordable Health Care Act. Union officials say a repeal would hurt working people as well as community clinics like the Newburgh facility, where health services could be expanded in high-need areas under Obamacare. Reporter Pauline Liu will have more, including reaction from the Congresswoman here at Record Online and in tomorrow's Times-Herald Record. Sullivan County District Attorney Jim Farrell came to the County Government Center to make a pitch to the legislature's Public Safety Committee for the creation of a social host law that would allow for the arrest of Sullivan County adults who allow other people's underage children to drink on their property.
The legislature said here today, it's a law of accountability. It's holding those people responsible and accountable when they provide and they allow children to consume alcohol on their premises.
The proposed law would apply to anyone over 18 who is responsible for the property where underage drinking occurs. If it's approved, those who violate the county's social host law would be subject to a fine of up to $500 and 15 days in jail for the first offense. Farrell says passage of the law would help counter the perception among some adults that hosting a drinking party is okay. Town of Newburgh police say they caught him in the act. Officers say they spotted 29-year-old town resident Edgar Repko Jr. wearing a mask and dark clothing, prying open the rear door at Signature Pharmacy on South Plank Road. Repko has also been charged with a July 5th burglary at the same pharmacy where drugs were stolen. Police say Repko may be connected to other recent pharmacy break-ins and thefts. Newburgh Town Police say drugs stolen during these burglaries have a high value when sold illegally on the street. He hit him with his SUV. Then, according to state police, he got out of his vehicle and assaulted the victim. 62-year-old Frederick Rapina of Wurtsboro was arrested on the felony charges of first-degree reckless endangerment and second-degree assault. Police were alerted after a 911 call reported a pedestrian struck. Rapina then reportedly got out of the vehicle and assaulted the 41-year-old man. Police say Rapina knew the victim, who was being treated at Orange Regional Medical Center. Rapina was ordered held on a $15,000 bail in Sullivan County Jail. And the goal? To prevent a summer slide, a reading slide. Summer reading program is off and running at the Cool Elementary School in Port Jervis, and about 140 of the district's students in grades K through 6 are getting the benefit of a first-time program put together by teacher volunteers. The idea is to sharpen student reading skills in a fun setting. Program coordinator Jody Case Kennedy explains why that's important.
Because they start the school year off in September, going backwards rather than forwards, and there's so much academics to be done, we can't waste the time anymore. With the new core standards coming out, the math includes reading, everything includes reading, so it is a very significant piece.
Other volunteers, including older children, have been helping out as well. The Port Jervis Recreation Department provides lunch, and the kids are being collectively challenged to read for 100,000 minutes through August 10th. It'll probably feel a bit more uncomfortable out there over the next couple of days. Thursday will be mostly sunny and hot, with temperatures getting up around 90 degrees. Friday's weather will feature a mix of sun and clouds, with the highs reaching the upper 80s. Get an edge on the day by picking up a copy of the Times-Herald Record tomorrow morning, and keep clicking back here at Record Online to stay connected to breaking news. For Record Newswatch, I'm Tracy Banks.